driving Stripe. Man, I'm really having a great time with this car. Got it on Marketplace for sale. But we're not in the business of keeping these things. You fall in love with the car, you pour money into it, it's hard to ever move on to something else. So this past weekend we had a great trip. Becky and I, Dennis and Kim, Kenny and Shelley, and Stephen and Wendy, we all went to cruise in put on in Chickamauga, Georgia. Little historic town, little battleground. We traveled up there. I might say a 2-hour ride. A little over 100 miles one way. All 3 cars made it up there and back safely. Stephen and Wendy went in his truck. Kind of a backup plan. But we didn't need it. Everything worked out good. We got home Saturday night about 9 o'clock. Oh my Lord, it was hot. It was hot, but we made it well. We made it okay. So you'll see a lot of that in this video. Show you a lot of the cars, a lot of the drive up there. Hope you enjoy this content. If you do, please drop me a comment in the section below. Hit that like button, share, subscribe, tell folks about it. We got more work in the shop right now than we do, but we'll get it all done. Super proud of how things is growing, how things are turning out. I'm really enjoying this car here, this blue car Stripe. But we'll build it, if somebody wants it, we'll build another one. Trying to build back as many of these cars, get them back on the road as we can. Chickamauga, Georgia at a cruise in. My buddy Kelly put this thing on. Some really nice cars here. A lot of people, good turnout. It's good to get out and drive our cars today. Normally, you know, like I told you before, normally we trailer these things all over the country. But today we did things a little different. Today we got them out and drove them. All 3 cars made it up here safely. No issues. And we just hope we make it back home safely tonight. Even got big quiet with me tonight. I'm proud of that. We had a really good ride up here. Right off, forgot my gimbal. So y'all just bear with me. This video might be a little shaky. Just excuse me for that. A lot of these cars in this area we see at Bugapalooza and we see at Circuit Wagons every year. We've come to know a lot of these owners of these cars and made friends with a lot of them. And that's what it's all about. Being part of a community, being part of a friendship. I already noticed that. It looks good.
Looks good.
It's Brad Long over there and his crew. Glad to hang out with them this weekend.
How stupid did you look? You're definitely an 18. What was that one over there?
Really partial to this blue car right here. Love those 17-inch wheels. Steve and I really like that narrowed beam and the big wheels and little tires. That's pretty cool there. Let's check it out. Kind of the same setup we had on Red 67. Nice pop-out windshield. This is a cool car. This is the cars we want to build. This is what we like. You can back out where you can get a good look at it here. Good looking car. Love that stance. Always good to see Smitty's bus everywhere we go. He gets out and drives it and has fun with it, enjoys it. That's what you're supposed to do.
Where you go? Hey.
Everybody out supporting the Volkswagen community tonight.